Hello, my name is Mr. Bryce with Susquehanna Valley High School here in Conklin, New York. If you have any questions, you can contact me. Right now, what we're going to do is we're going to follow the steps to find the standard deviation using a calculator. We're going to both find the sample space when it's just partial and a full census when you ask every single person involved. So what we're going to talk about is the calculator. We're using the TI 84 calculator, graphing calculator. And the first thing you do is you hit the stat key. Stat key is right there. It's in red. Then you choose choice 1, which is edit. So you can either hit 1 or you can hit enter. You clear the data if needed by hitting the up arrow, hitting clear, and then enter. So if there's data there, you want to clear it all out. Enter the new data. I'm going to be using this data right here. So when we're entering it, you put in the first number and then you hit enter. There's no need to order them from least to greatest. So I'm going to enter the data. Every time you enter a new number, you hit enter. Now I intentionally made a mistake on the last number. The last number is supposed to be 40. So if you make a mistake, you can go right on top of it and you can just hit the right number that's supposed to be. It's supposed to be 40. If you notice down here on the bottom of the screen, it says I'm on the 16th cell. So I count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I'm sitting on the blank spot, which would be 16th. So that meant I entered in all the numbers. So here I am. I entered all the data. Then I hit the stat key again. Right arrow once to the word calc. So I hit the stat key. I right arrow once to the calc. And then it says hit enter, which is choice 1, var stats. That's variable statistics, 1 variable statistics. So I just hit enter. Some calculators, you have to arrow down to the word calculate. Others will do it automatically. You hit enter when you're on top of calculate. And here is our answer. So here's the calculator screen. Now it depends on whether we have a sample. A sample just means part of the people, or if we have all or a full census. So these are the standard deviations. That's how you do the standard deviation using the calculator. Now let's answer a question. A marketing company is trying to determine how much diversity there is in the age of the people who drink different soft drinks. They take a sample of the people and ask them which soda they prefer. For the 2 sodas, the age of the people preferred is given below. Okay, so we already entered in all of this data. And since it said sample, we're going to be using that data right there. So the standard deviation for the first one is 9.09. What I'm interested in answering right now is explain why the standard deviation is a better measure of the diversity in age than the mean. The mean gives you an average age. So if we had everyone say that they were 27 years old, well, the mean for this group of people is 26.6 repeating. So if everyone said that they were 26 and a half years old, 26 and 2/3 years old, then we would get that mean. But this, look at these. We have 16-year-olds, we have 44-year-olds. So there's a wide variety of ages. The standard deviation shows you, the standard deviation shows how varied how diverse, how different the ages are, how wide it is spread. That's pretty good. The spread between the ages. Or the distance. Okay, so that's why standard deviation is good. If there's a wide standard deviation, 9, that means that, between the averages, there's like 9 years. There's a deviation curve that we can see. So, ladies and gentlemen, standard deviation shows you if it's a narrow population, everyone's really tight and everyone's the same, or if there's a diversity, if people are different. And we like diversity in our population, especially when we're selling something. So that is how you find the standard deviation using your calculator. Remember, most important things. If you have a sample, then use this. If you have everyone, if you asked everyone, then you use the second number there. The second with the green arrow. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me in class. See you later.